Hi, first grade. For lesson 5-6, we are going to solve addition and subtraction word problems. I can solve word problems involving comparisons. Okay, I'm on page 329. You will need your math book, a pencil, and your number cubes or counters. Okay, Jose has 5 more erasers than Luis. Jose has 7 erasers. How many erasers does Luis have? Write your answers below. Okay, so what do we already know? We know that Jose has 7 erasers because it says it right here in the story problem. Okay, so let's write the number 7 for Jose's erasers and show 7. You can use your counters, but I actually have these little erasers to put in the box. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, these are Jose's erasers. Now I need to solve and see how many erasers Luis has. Okay, we started off with 7. Jose has 5 more erasers than Luis, which that tells me that Luis has fewer or less erasers than Jose, since he has more than her. He has 5 more, so let's take 5 away and see how many erasers Luis has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 away. That means Luis only has 2 erasers, okay? Because 5 and 2 more makes 7, which is how many Jose had. Okay, so she has only 2 erasers. Okay, let's turn the page. We're going to do pretty much the same thing here. We're going to use the models to solve the problems. Now, they showed us a part-part-whole model, so this is very similar to what a part-part-whole looks like. The 2 parts and the whole on the top. Okay, let's take a look at number 1. Sal has 8 more magazines than Gemma. Sal has 15 magazines. Okay, how many magazines does Gemma have? So I know that Sal has 15 in all, and that's where they got the whole 15. Okay? If Sal has 8 more magazines, then how many does Gemma have? Okay, we're going to solve for the missing part. 8 and how many more will give you 15? 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, we can double check their answers by counting with our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So Gemma has 7 magazines. Okay. Now let's turn to the next page. We'll do this one together. Alan picks up 3 toys. Then he picks up 8 more. How many did he pick up in all? Well, we're actually missing the whole in this equation. They gave us the 2 parts. He picks up 3 first and then 8 more. So I need to find the whole. 3 plus 8 equals what? You can use your cubes or counting on. I'm going to count on from the largest addend. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. Alan picked up 11 toys in all. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for the next problems. Number 3 says Jack makes 5 fewer cups than Sandy. Sandy makes 11 fruit cups. How many fruit cups did Jack make? Okay, you're missing a part here. Solve for the missing part. Harry has 5 fewer buttons than Tina. Harry has 7 buttons. How many buttons does Tina have? And number 5, Mark calls some people. Jane calls 8 people. They called 17 people in all. How many people did Mark call? Okay, go ahead and complete page 331 and share your work when you're finished.